welcome to the Car Meets. 1994 Ford Mustang. And, what am I, oh.
It's not automatic.
Whoops. Airbag. Why is it telling me I have airbags?
Grab point's really high, by the way.
Manual Ford Mustang. I didn't know these things came with vape kits installed. That's awesome. Rumble in the jungle. Stingle Stangle. This is a fun car, though. I do like it. Manual Mustang. Oh, and a fire extinguisher too.
Yeah, outside the car, have you?
Mine won't slide like
Okay, so this is one Ford Mustang. The 94 Ford Mustang. Now we're going to the 99 Cobra. Mustangs for years here. Okay, so that was that Mustang. Now we go into this Mustang. They're right there. Oh, they look like a cigarette lighter.
It's supposed to make that sound like it. Oh, yeah. Here we go.
Oh,
His
man,
is-
he's got his seat way back.
Yeah, you can move. His moves.
This one actually requires the key to start.
You can move the seat up. That's all.
I probably will. So is this an automatic seat?
I think it's power, yeah. It's the Cobra, so it has it's all the upgraded options.
Oh yeah. Ah.
Give me a film for you?
Sure.
All right.
Let's do this.
Here's Martin in a 99 Cobra. Oh.
Okay. Back in business. Sorry, folks.
All right, here we go.
Rolls off the clutch then. Nope. You lied to me. All right.
All right, try 3.
Try 3. I'm sorry, man.
Right out here. It's a racing thing,
Well, let it out slowly and give it some gas. Just don't do that. You gonna shift into second?
Nah. I don't want to ruin nobody's car, dude. Plus, there's people here.
Some people's here. Just making a U-turn.
Every car has their own character, man. That one was way different.
This one's a lot. Let's put it this way: it's a lot more comfortable.
Yeah, no, this one is a lot more comfortable. It's just once you get it, you get it. But like, that is definitely good though. That is a lot of fun.
Yeah, that is for sure.
All right, let's give him back his car. This Mustang pulls it. Yes. I could move it up just a square, yeah.
Yeah, you're good.
First,
Gotcha,
yeah,
bro.
thank you. Okay, we're looking at a Ford.
I just not drive over like 20 miles an hour.
Oh, I do about 100.
Oh my god! That's
Car's lucky if
great.
it goes to 20.
Yeah, you'll see it.
loud,
Dude.
that's all it is.
One of my steering.
Oh my god, you can see it right there. Damn, dude.
That's crazy.
That's
I mean, it gives it character, right?
Yeah.
Wait, did they do it on both sides?
All right, wheel shake, but from the inside view. That's crazy.
That's insane.
So we've took some underglow and Made like a little
Go say hi.
Indian style campfire here. And we
Long train.
It'll be like 5 minutes.
They're 5 minute long train.
Oh, this fucking
Yeah, you're right. Back up.
I went 2 miles.
come to the car meet. Yeah.
I like your hair darker than lighter.
We got like 30.
He will not bring it back because he'll shred it into pieces.
I'd so. Bring it here. I want to
All
see.
but one wire's cut on it.
Bring it. Look at it. Oh.
Here, give me. Let's play. Ready? Go. Woo! Fake throw and real throw. Wah! Bring it here. Come on. More throws. Yes, let's play.
Leave it.
We have fixed the street lamps. Angry locals cut the wire. We got electrical tape, wrapped it around here, hold it still. So what we did was somebody just snipped it. We split it in two, put the metals in there, and then held it down with tape. And that'll do for now. We'll build Middletown for our services later. Let's go to Isaac.
Why don't you? Oh fuck! That snake is that? Whose snake is that? Did you just find that?
I told you, I just found it by the river over
up,
there.
dog?
Don't touch it. It's wild. Welcome to the car meets. I just pulled it out over there.
Came out of the river.
He was holding it.
You want some coffee, little guy?
You see what I mean? Once he like relaxes like that, you can.
Hey.
I got a nice necklace here. Subscribe to see more stupid shit like this. It looks like the local municipality forgot to pay the electric bill, so we're making do with what we got. Yeah. Highly intelligent behavior, but at least we can see. The dogs are freaking the hell out. Yep.
This will be your best thing that you're gonna see besides my side.
Mr. Andrew is showing off his VTech device.
Yes, it doesn't have VTech though.
Oh. VTech delete. Show me the money.
The money is right here. That little nameplate's all the money.
I don't see this nameplate.
That one right there, the little.
2757.
And then the rest of the money is painted black to hide behind the grill here.
Okay. We hide the money. This is smart.
Yes, you hide the money so people with Corvettes that want to race me don't realize, because then, then your intake's right there through your little...
Right. You don't want them to know that you have money.
No. You tell them that you're poor. Nothing says I'm poor like a Honda Civic without a center console, right?
Ah. Look at me. I'm Ken Block.
Feel it, it's stiff.
Ah.
Grab gears, man. Like, do your thing.
Damn, what the hell? Oh. Oh, it is stiff. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that would be like reverse or something, right?
There's a 6 in there, too.
There's a 6th in there. How did I miss 6? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Urgh, I don't want to break this thing back soon.
5, 6.
5, 6. There we go.
Reverse.
And reverse. You know, I was in a Fiat.
A Fiat?
A Fiat 500 in Europe.
Yes.
And I wanted to put the damn thing in reverse.
Yes.
So I look at this little, the little thing on the top, and it says reverse is over here and down. So I grab this thing, I go over there and down, and I let go of the clutch and, hit the gas, and the car goes flying forward, and I'm like, ah! I slam the brakes, right? Turns out in order to put the Fiat 500L in reverse, there's like a little collar in here,
lockout.
and you have to like lift it up and then put it in reverse. Even funnier, people were like, what, you didn't know that you weren't in reverse? The rear view camera turns on, and I'm just like, oh, technology, I forgot about that. So, I'm guessing this is,
Yes, that's the rest of the center console, so I can engage my parking brake.
So you can use your parking brake. Why did you?
The center console is actually directly behind you in the seat. Ah, there it is.
Oh, that's just great. Hey, you have a USB thing here. Or had, I don't know. What if I just did this? Ah. I have received keys. It made a noise. That one, okay, now it's in neutral, so I'm just gonna put it in one. I'm gonna let go of the
You're gonna push the parking brake down.
push the. Oh my god. Here's the best part. I have his wallet.
Go for a pound.
Watch me fail. Please be nice to me, car. Mission success! Let's see what we have here. I locked myself in. This is a nice car. So I shifted it to first. I shifted. Oh no, I'm being evicted!
Go right over. And you didn't even take my wallet.
I know.
Like, who says Russian still thing?
I'm a good guy. I mean, I only got your credit card number. That's all I needed.
That's alright.
What the fuck? There it goes.
There it goes.
Yeah, I don't think. How much you pay for that truck? My truck? 20.